Ever wondered how to build your very own multi-vendor marketplace website, something like Amazon but powered by WordPress? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a platform where multiple vendors can sign up, sell their products, and customers can shop from a range of sellers, all managed and controlled by you. Let's dive right in and get your marketplace off the ground. First, we need to lay the foundation for your website. That starts with installing an e-commerce plugin, and the gold standard here is WooCommerce. If you haven't heard of WooCommerce before, picture it as the engine under the hood. It adds essential shopping cart, product, and order functionality to your WordPress site, turning it from a blog into a powerful store. Head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for WooCommerce. Once you've installed and activated it, go through the onboarding wizard. Take your time setting up basics like your store details, taxes, and currency. These details are what keep real customers from getting confused later on. Now, WooCommerce is fantastic for single stores, but since we want a multi-vendor marketplace, we'll need a special plugin that unlocks those features. This is where plugins like Dockin Multi-Vendor Marketplace, WC Vendors, or WCFM Marketplace come into play. Dockin is especially popular because it comes with a really user-friendly front-end dashboard for your vendors. That means your sellers won't need any technical know-how. They can add products, manage orders, and track their earnings without ever touching the complicated WordPress backend. To set this up, just install your chosen multi-vendor plugin the same way you did WooCommerce. Most offer a free core version, which is plenty to get started, and premium add-ons if you need things like custom commissions, vendor subscriptions, or advanced analytics. Don't worry if it looks like a lot right now. You can always add features as your marketplace grows. With the key plugins in place, it's time to focus on how your marketplace actually looks and feels to customers and vendors. Theme selection matters a lot. You'll want a theme that plays nicely with both WooCommerce and your multi-vendor plugin. Themes like Astra, Storefront, or provide clean layouts and are designed to handle a wide range of shops and vendors right out of the box. There are also themes specifically created for marketplace setups, so spend a little time previewing a few options. Imagine your site as a shopping mall. The structure should make it easy for visitors to browse multiple shops with consistency, so the right theme is your architecture. Next up, configuring the essential settings that make your marketplace actually function. One of the most important parts is payment gateways. These determine how money flows from customers to vendors and what you earn as the marketplace owner. Integrate payment methods like PayPal or Stripe. Look for features that offer automatic commission splitting so payments are seamless and accurate. Some plugins handle this out of the box, while others may need an additional extension or setup time, so follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Now think about your commission rates. This is how your platform makes money. Will you take a percentage of each sale, a flat fee per transaction, or maybe a mix? Set clear, fair commission rates that make sense for your niche. Remember, the right commission structure not only incentives vendors to join, but also compensates you for providing the platform. Finally, customize the vendor registration process. Decide what information new vendors need to provide, maybe business details, ID verification, or a sample product listing. Some marketplace sites let anyone apply instantly, while others require owner approval. Don't hesitate to start with a manual review if you want to maintain quality. And that's it. You've now set up the core framework for your very own Amazon-style multi-vendor marketplace with WordPress. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions or insights, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck building your online empire.